It's one of the short video that is how to use calculator. How to use calculator in this calculator keys, that is m plus and m minus and mrc. Okay, we can talk. Okay, we can discuss about that. These three keys. About these three keys. For example, in the calculation part, 5 into 20 and minus 5 into 20 and minus 4 into 50. So if you in this calculation, okay, regularly normally everyone doing first of all 5 into 20 which is equal to 100 and minus 4 into 15, then you will get 60. After that 100 minus 60, 100 minus 60 which is equal to 40. Okay, everyone normally doing like this. But if you using m plus m minus and mrc, it is easy to calculate. In final answer we will get in this here only. Okay, so that is 100. First we can on AC. Okay, on the calculator, then 5 into 20 which is equal to 100. Okay, which is equal to 100. Okay, this is the 100 m plus, that is memory in plus value. Okay, plus. Okay, memory now you are recorded in plus value, that is 100. Next calculation is 4 into 15 which is equal to 60. Okay, so it's a minus of 60. Okay, minus of 60. Hence you can press m minus. Only one time only. You can press only one time. Okay. So now the result automatically you will get that. Okay, with press. Okay, with MRC, with key of MRC. If you press MRC, then finally you will get 40. Okay, like this. Is there any calculations? Plus and minuses. Okay, directly you can detect it, and you store the storage, that is m plus values and m minus, all those m minus values you can record in m minus. Then finally you will get the answer directly. Okay, so this is the calculation part used like this in the situations. Okay, thank you.